It's fluffy. So you eat it with fork and knife. I eat it with my hands, I don't care. Flip it over on the side, then go like this, and then... Oh. Wow, welcome guys. We are finally in Arizona, finally. Here we are, it's Fiamme Pizza. Like you can see, this video for me is very, very special. I mean, Scott, my friend, is gonna be really surprised. You know, I call him, I text him that we are here. So I came to Tucson here in Arizona, and then I searched a little bit, and then honestly, I couldn't find a good pizza. So today we are here because first of all, I know Scott. Second of all, for me, this is the best pizza in Arizona. Why? Because you are going to see what we are talking about inside. Well, let's go together. So I brought you here with me. This way you'll see. And then if you are in Arizona, you have to come to eat this pizza because it's real Neapolitan style. So let's go inside together, let's meet Scott, and let's see, especially, let's meet this pizza and see if it's real the best pizza in Arizona. Let's go. Okay, let's go inside, guys. I'm very excited, very excited. Oh. Let me bring you in. There we go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How you doing, guys?
How's it going?
Good, good, good. So look at this. So we're ready to get in, and then very surprised all the amazing awards that he got. Scott Volpe is the owner of this place, and like you know here, like I'm going to show you, he's the world champions of freestyle pizza. This is a award from Italy, this is from United States. It's full of history. I'm really happy to have given this guy the amazing art. This guy, take a look. Only wood oven. He's cooking out some pizza, this guy. What are you making?
This is just a margarita with olives and mushrooms.
He made this pizza place really authentic Neapolitan style. Here you go, guys. He's the Scott's Pizzaiolo. What's your name, my friend?
Andrew.
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 Nice to meet you, my friend. You making Neapolitan pizza?
Yes, sir.
You learn good?
Learning from the best.
Fantastic. Learning from the best, yes. Because Scott became the #1 in the world as a best pizzaiolo freestyle in this world. So today I'm very excited to see the magic happen. So let's see what Scott Volpe trained. So right now, guys, he's stretching the pizza. What kind of stretch are you doing right now?
Canotto.
Canotto style, eh? You know canotto style.
Farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo.
What pizza are you making today? The classic?
Margherita.
The original margherita?
Al riposo, narcisetto adocino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei
This is really Neapolitan style in Tucson. So guys, now he's putting some flame in the oven before putting the pizza. There we go, amazing. This way the pizza cooks with the flame, right? That's the name of the place, Fiamme. So now he's putting the pizza.
quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno,
Fantastic, beautiful.
belle turbando.
I'm just stealing a little bit of job here. I'm making some pizza. Can't wait. I have to do something. I have to cook the pizza. I have to make the pizza. So I'm here turning the pizza. My friend, I'm sorry, I'm turning the pizza for you. Wow, take a look at this crust. Oh my God. Pizza is coming really good. Okay, I'm done with this. You can go ahead and take it out.
Molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante.
Beautiful pizza, you see? The shape is not perfect circle because this is the authentic Neapolitan pizza. Like the crust, take a look at the crust. Wow, nice, soft, light, fluffy. Wow, guys, you have to check out this pizza place. Okay, guys, he's cutting the pizza, but they don't cut. You guys cut the pizza here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, because I like the pizza cut. In Italy, they don't cut it. Fantastic, thank you so much. I can't wait to taste this pizza, wow. The pizza is coming, I'm gonna stop. Shoot 1 second, pizza is coming, vieni, my friend. Zio, sei pronto qua? Abbiamo mio cugino. Oh man, take a look at this pizza. Take a look. Take a look at this pizza. Fantastic, man.
I think we look long enough. Now it's time to eat.
Zio, cioè, ma hai visto?
Whoa.
Mio zio abita a Tucson. My uncle lives in Tucson. He brought me here, but of course I knew it because Scott is my friend. I trained him over the years. So I'm excited because this is really the first time I taste Scott Volpe pizza napoletana. And
It's my 6th time.
6th time. Wow, you don't even, actually, he don't even made it himself. He trained the people, so I'm tasting the pizza from his pizzaiolo. Hopefully, Scott comes in time and we taste this pizza, no?
Yeah.
Wow, take a look at this slice of pizza.
Grab a slice.
Oh, minchia, proprio buona la pizza. Alto livello.
Always good.
Fantastic. Oh, man, this pizza tastes lovely, fluffy. Right. I mean, I can't believe that this guy brought to Tucson an amazing, outstanding Neapolitan pizza, tasting exactly like in Naples, guys. This is to show you that today, all over the world, you can make the best pizza, correct, Zio?
Oh, and Scott's got the best pizza. The best Neapolitan style pizza in Tucson.
Before coming to Arizona, I say, okay, let me search for some Neapolitan pizza, the best. I didn't find anything.
Oh no.
This is the only one. So I had to shoot the only one video today because this is the best pizza for me in Arizona because I've been to Phoenix. So. I mean, this is
Phoenix. It depends.
This is one of the best. Yeah.
Scott's is always good.
Fantastic, guys. Take a look at this slice. This is how Neapolitan pizza is. Take a look. See, it's fluffy. So you eat it with fork and knife. I eat it with my hands. I don't care. Flip it over on side, then go like this. and then and then make love with the flavor. Yes. The best. The best. Guys, if you are in Arizona, come to this pizza place. As you can see also, these guys, they make a huge Neapolitan pizza, 16 inches. It's about 16 inches?
18. We try and get it 18.
They do 18 inches pizza, huge, similar to New York style, but high quality. Of course we had to get more. Zio, io ho comprato, preso altre 2 pizze qua. Cioè, non basta. Of course I had to get a couple more. Thank you so much, my friend. This is the pizza. Take a look. Zio, dovevamo prendere per forza. He can eat the regular cheese here.
That's his favorite.
We eat the sausage. We got sausage, pepperoni. No sausage, pepperoni. This is salame piccante.
Salami picante. No,
Fantastic. I can't wait to taste this pizza, guys.
White pizza.
I'm gonna eat now and enjoy this pizza. I have to enjoy this pizza. So you have to come over and get the full experience that we did.
That's the only way you're going to enjoy it. You're going to come down.
Of course. Now you can taste.
Hello.
The day after, you see, I have another shirt here, and because I had to come back because now Scott is here. Scott is here. Scott, present yourself. Who you are, other than being a champion of a couple of years, 3, 4, 5 years.
Freestyle, couple times. Yeah.
Couple years.
Two-time first place.
2 times first place best freestyle pizza maker in the world. Scott, present yourself. Where we are.
We're here in Tucson, Arizona, in FIAMME Pizza. It's my pizzeria. We
I
make
know.
Neapolitan style.
I tasted the pizza when you were home, and you did a really good job because the pizza is outstanding.
For sure.
Yeah, you get it.
It's a lot of fun. Yeah.
Now I want to see you making the pizza.
All right.
They have to see how you make the pizza because I've been talking about you long time. So let's go see how Scott Volpe makes the pizza. Giusto? Vuoi dire qualcosa in italiano? Let's try to speak in Italian. Let's go make the pizza. Guys, and here is the pizza. Here. Yeah, I mean, Scott did a good job too. Because the dough is good, the mozzarella is good. Like, here, like, take a look. Scott, my friend, good job, man.
Thank you, Vito.
I have to say good job. How many years have you been making pizza, Scott?
I think what 7, 8 years now. When you teach me, I think 8 years ago, 7.
Hey Scott, tell us, how did you start this, how you got it in this business? The people needs to know, if you want to say.
I think it was 8 years ago in Michael's Pizzeria. Michael's Pizzeria in Long Beach. That's when I,
That was the downtown, right?
downtown location, yes. That's when I worked with you. When I worked with Vito, and I learned how to make the pizza.
Yeah, guys, and I have to say that I'm really so proud of Scott, what he have done. He start he start his own business from a mobile oven that I show you already, right, Scott?
Yes.
A mobile oven, right?
Yes. The one through the trailer, the mobile trailer on the back.
Yeah, he was doing this pizza. He was doing this pizza on the farmers market, and then from a farmers market, he made this outstanding pizzeria. When you get in this pizza place, you feel like you are in Naples. See, we are about to taste the pizza, and here I have my little tasting partner. È vero, papà? Assaggia la pizza. Eccola qua. Let's see. Let's see. You might say that I can say it's good, but ecco qua. Come la pizza, papà? Come la pizza? Fai vedere la faccia. Even my daughter likes the pizza. Yeah. Com'è? Very fragrant. Yeah. She loves the pizza. Kids never lie. Guys, if you're in Arizona, please come to this place. You have to come. You will lick your fingers. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Ciao.
Io fan fischiar, non più frai